Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to set up Shopify payments for global customers. To set up Shopify payment for global customers, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to settings. From there, click on payment, then click activate Shopify payment. You'll be prompted to enter your business detail, which is bank information, and a supported business address in a country where Shopify payment is available. Once activated, Shopify payment automatically enable major global payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, Express, American Express, and Apple Pay. To optimize for international customers, enable multi-currency by going to Market in your Shopify settings. There you can add countries or region and configure local currency. Shopify will automatically convert price based on current exchange rate, or you can set up a manual rate if available in your region. So you can also enable local payment method like high deals, soft cut, and bank contact to boost conversion from specific country. And make sure you check out language is localized and your shipping rate are clear to support smooth and experience for global buyers. And that's it.